Significance of HAZMAT placards. Hazardous materials placards are square-on-point, diamond-shaped configurations with colors, shapes, text, and symbols that make them unique and instantly recognizable. Placards are standard hazardous materials identifiers that are affixed to a transport vehicle, bulk packaging, freight container, unit load device, or rail car on both sides and each end, regardless of the quantity, although there are certain exceptions to this basic rule. But why the need for these placards? If an accident occurs during transportation resulting in a release or spill of hazardous materials, placards guide the actions of first responders and alert the public of the potential dangers associated with exposure to the material. In the event of an emergency, first responders are trained to look for warning placards to accurately identify the material involved and to implement an appropriate response. Let us understand the significance of placards with the help of a real-life example. In November 1988, the Kansas City Fire Department was notified of a fire at a construction site. While the firefighters attempted to extinguish the fire, the trailer, which was an explosives magazine, exploded, killing all 6 firefighters assigned to it. The first explosion was followed by a second blast and several smaller explosions, leaving a crater 100 feet in diameter and 8 feet deep. An investigation into the incident revealed that the fire department was notified of the presence of explosives on site, but not their exact location. At the time of the accident, the United States Department of Transportation required labeling and placarding during transportation of hazardous materials, but not on fixed sites. Therefore, the trailer was neither marked nor placarded to indicate its contents. As a result of the tragic incident, the Department of Transportation modified its regulations to require labeling and placarding for containers in fixed use and storage until the contents are used up and containers have been purged to remove any residues of the hazardous material contained therein. Therefore, it is important to remember that proper placarding can save lives, while improper placarding can place lives, property, and the environment at risk.